Okay, what do we have today?
Some leaks are worth fixing, but others aren't. Leaky faucets are bad, anything that drips from your car is bad, and I would hate to be on a submarine if it sprung a leak. But traditional supercapacitors exhibit a certain level of leakage, and that works for many applications. But Eaton's PHVL supercapacitor packs offer low leakage and low self-discharge that can extend battery life or backup time by up to 20%. The capacitors have a 3.9 volt working voltage and capacitance values up to 5 Farads to provide high energy density. They feature ultra-low ESR, which provides high power density and high peak current capability. Eaton's PHVL series is offered in the same size, capacitance, and configurations as Eaton's PHV series, offering designers a drop-in, low leakage upgrade for extended battery life or backup times.